The era of compromise in the drone world has officially come to an end. And if you thought you knew what a sub 250-gram drone was capable of, you are about to have every single expectation shattered. We are standing on the precipice of a technological revolution with the DJI Mini 6 Pro, a device that isn't just an incremental update, but a complete reimagining of what portable aerial cinematography can be. For years, pilots have had to choose between the portability of the Mini series and the raw power of the Mavic or Air lineups. But the leaked specifications and early testing data for the Mini 6 Pro suggest that those lines have not just been blurred, they have been erased. Imagine a drone so light it bypasses the most stringent FAA and international regulations, yet carries a sensor and processing brain that rivals professional cinema cameras. This is the story of how DJI managed to shrink the impossible into the palm of your hand, creating a tool that makes every other compact drone on the market look like a toy from a bygone era. The heart of this revolution starts with a groundbreaking new sensor architecture that defies the laws of physics. Industry insiders are pointing toward a custom-designed 1-inch CMOS sensor, a feat previously thought impossible for a drone of this weight class without sacrificing flight time or structural integrity. But DJI hasn't just slapped a bigger sensor on the frame. They have overhauled the entire optical path. We are looking at a dual-native ISO system that allows for stunningly clean footage in lighting conditions that would leave the Mini 4 Pro or even the Air 3 struggling with digital noise. Whether you are capturing the golden hour glow over the Manhattan skyline or the moody, dimly lit streets of London, the dynamic range being reported is nothing short of breathtaking. We are talking about 14 stops of dynamic range, allowing you to pull details out of the deepest shadows while keeping the highlights of a midday sun perfectly preserved. This isn't just about megapixels, it's about the quality of every single photon hitting that glass. But a great sensor is nothing without the intelligence to guide it, and this is where the Mini 6 Pro enters a league of its own. The new O5 video transmission system is set to provide a link so stable and high definition that it feels like you are wired directly into the sky. With a theoretical range of up to 30 kilometers in FCC-compliant regions like the United States, the level of freedom this grants a creator is unprecedented. But it's the latency, or rather, the total lack of it, that will change the way you fly. The near-instantaneous feedback allows for precision maneuvering through tight gaps and complex environments that used to require a dedicated FPV setup. Combined with a new 360-degree omnidirectional obstacle sensing system that utilizes next-generation LiDAR light sensors, the Mini 6 Pro becomes virtually uncrashable. It doesn't just see obstacles, it understands the environment in 3 dimensions, mapping out flight paths in real time that are smoother and more cinematic than even the most experienced human pilot could achieve manually. Let's talk about the footage itself, because this is where the Pro moniker truly earns its keep. For the first time in a drone this size, we are seeing rumors of 5.1K video at 60 frames per second, and a mind-blowing 4K at 150 frames per second for those silky smooth slow-motion shots that capture the true essence of movement. But the real kicker for professional colorists is the inclusion of full 10-bit D-Log M and HLG profiles across all frame rates. The level of color flexibility this provides in post-production means your Mini 6 Pro footage will seamlessly match with high-end mirrorless cameras or even RED and RE workflows. You can push the blues of the ocean and the greens of a forest to their absolute limits without the image falling apart. This is the A-camera performance in a C-camera body. The gimbal has also seen a total redesign, now capable of a wider tilt range and a dedicated vertical shooting mode that doesn't crop the sensor, ensuring your content for social platforms maintains every bit of that 5K resolution. The flight physics of the Mini 6 Pro are equally transformative. DJI has developed a new propulsion system with high-efficiency motors and redesigned stealth propellers that are not only quieter, but provide significantly more thrust. This allows the drone to mate on its sub 240-gram weight while increasing its wind resistance to level 6, meaning you can fly in coastal gusts that would have grounded previous generations. Perhaps most impressively, the battery technology has taken a massive leap forward. By using high-energy density cells, the standard intelligent flight battery is expected to push flight times past the 45-minute mark, while the Plus version could see pilots staying in the air for over an hour. Think about what that means for your workflow. Fewer battery swaps, more time waiting for the perfect light, and the ability to cover vast distances without the constant anxiety of a low battery warning. It changes the psychology of flying from hurry up and get the shot to explore and create.